In this practical, we will select several polygons together and create a one polygon. Assume that you need to show your study area, which is happening in several polygons out of the all polygons. This is the United States, contiguous United States map. So assume that the study is happening in Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, and North Carolina. So first, we have to select them: Mississippi, Georgia, Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina. Actually, why we selected them is in the attributable table to show where these names are. Let's go to the attributable table. When you go to the attributable table, that you can see these states, the rows of these selected states are highlighted. If you want, you can take them to the up by more selections to top. Now, these are the few states that we think that our study is happening, and the rest of the states are there as well. First thing, what we have to do is now for make one polygon out of these polygons, there should be one unique number or unique name to all these polygons which we have selected. Then we give the command those who are having the same number to dissolve into one particular polygon. So for that, we have to create another new column. So we have to first make it into editable format. Then we have to create a new field. We say study setting. Because now the entire name is not possible to type here because it's asks only the little few number of letters. Let's say we will just write in study area, right? Whole number, and length of 10 is good, fine. Create OK. Right. Now we have to give a unique number for all these states. Now we have given a unique number for them, and the other unselected states have no number, have the word null here. That means there is no number. So let's keep like this. So they are also unique then for all across unselected states, and here it is selected states. So to make it save, so we have to again click the editing button, then it makes uneditable. Then before that, the question asks whether to save the changes. We say yes. At least we have to click this save button. Now it's saved. Now we can close the attributable table. Then go to vector. In the vector, we have geoprocessing tools. Out of the geoprocessing tools, now we have to select dissolve. So once we select dissolve button, you get input this table. There you get input layer. So input layer is contiguous USA, and then it has dissolve field. Now dissolve field is the one we created, that is the study area. So we have to click here, and so the study area one having two numbers as two characters as we noticed earlier. That is we have given number 1 to all the selected or the study area states, and the others there is no number, so it's name as mentioning as null. So now we selected study area in the attributable table and make run. Then we have to click run button. So it's running the system. It takes a few seconds to run the entire algorithm and make the changes. Now you can see, we have to close this. Now you can see two areas are here. We remove the other layer which having the names contiguous layer. Then the dissolve layer is also here now, which we created with the dissolve in the polygons. Now here it is study area and the other areas. Now we can open the attributable table and see there are only two rows. One is with the 1, the other one is not having a number. So we can again name these layers as we want. For that, we have to again edit the button and go there and write here study area. So why it is not coming here? That is because at the time of we are preparing, developing this column, we have given it's a number and the length of 10. So in that case, we have to create another column with the necessary changes. We have to click new field. Here we say selected. You can give whatever the name you want. And this time we have to select text because the text is the one that we are going to put there. The length again we have to mention a number of characters 10. It looks like not enough, so we will increase it to 15. Say OK. Now new column was developed. We say here study area, and here the other polygon is the other areas. Areas of, let's say, areas of areas. Okay. Right. So we have to click the edit button again. Then it asks save. Yes. And now we can close this. And what we are going to do is now we can label the areas again. Go to the properties, single label. Now the study area is the one we are getting. Now there is enough space, so we can increase the font size. Let's make it to 14 and make it bold. So we take the as the font type Arial. So set OK. So why it is not coming? That may be because we have selected the wrong one, because that is not the study area actually. It is selected the column's name. So we go back again and do the naming again. Labels, single labels. It's not the study area. That was the mistake we did. So selected. So others are okay. If you want, we can do a little bit of buffer around the fonts. Click go. Now the study area, other areas it's mentioned.